surrounded by elephants. Look at these two playing. Look at these two playing. Look at these two playing. A little baby there with mummy. Now next they're gonna want to play with me. I don't want that. The people like my live videos. What a show. What a show. They're just playing. Fantastic. Oh, you're gonna love these creatures, eh? Yeah, baby feeding on mummy. Let's go back to those two. They're really nice. Ah, he touches him on the forehead every time with his trunk. And pushes him back. Quack. Good boys. Whoa. We're getting serious now. Come on, let's be friends, says the other. Don't be hard on me. Kruger at its best. They just keep coming. What a show. What a show. What a show. Let's move on forward. You guys are amazing. Love ya. Cheers.